Let's take a look at the Standards Grades tab in PowerSchool so that we can get a better understanding of how our standards-based grading system looks in PowerSchool. You will see a list of your students' classes. If you go down and select one of the arrows next to the class, for example, Third Hour Language Arts, new information will appear. You are given a list of the standards, the number, the topic they belong to, the type of standard, so in this case a V signifies vocabulary, and what the word was. If you see an S, this is a simple goal, and then the goal is quickly described. And if you scroll down a little more, you could see a C for a complex goal, and this goal is quickly described as well. All of these simple, complex, and vocabulary goals sit under one major topic. In this case, it looks to be like the informative, explanatory topic in language arts. Next to the major topic heading, you will see a number. This signifies where the student is at within that topic. A 0 means the student has not shown any evidence that they understand any of the goals or expectations of the topic. A 1 shows that students have some information that they have shown in the vocabulary or simple area, but they have not yet moved on to the complex. A 2 means that students have shown that they understand all of the information in the vocabulary and the simple area. A 2.5 means that they know all of the vocabulary and the simple goals and some of the complex. And a 3.0 shows that students have met the expectation for the entire topic and that they know all of the simple vocabulary, simple goals, and all of the complex goals. For a student to be on grade level, a student would need to have a 3 in the topic area. That means the student understands all of the learning goals and all of the expectations for that topic for their grade level. If you look down below the number, you will see M's or NMs. The M's are for met, the NMs are for not met, and this just signifies whether or not the student has met that goal or not. Individual assignments are not placed in PowerSchool, and you are encouraged to sign up for Schoology so that you can get a better glimpse at what these individual assignments are. And of course, you can always reach out to the teacher for more information or talk to your student. They should have an understanding of what assignment ties to what goal. If I scroll down, you will see that this student has met all of the goals, has a 3 on the next topic, and has met those goals. This is a quarter 2 topic, a quarter 3 and a quarter 4 topic, so those will be taught later, which is why there are dashes and empty spaces. And then finally we come to a work habits grade. The work habits is 20% of your student's grade, and it covers things such as turning in work, being on time, participating in class, and general behavior and contribution to a student's work and classroom. This student was on task and on topic and earned a 3 in this area. Please note that if you see a 4.0 in any of the topic sections, that means your student has gone above and beyond the expected learning for that topic and that they are showing knowledge above the grade level expectation. As you have seen, there is a new format for our report cards this quarter. If you'll take a look near the top, you will see the Semester 1 reporting period with all of your students' courses listed. Quarter 1 will show an overall averaged topic grade that they have received for that class. Detailed information on each individual topic and each individual grade can be found in PowerSchool. As the year progresses, Quarter 2 will fill in, and then you can come down and see Semester 2, Quarter 3, and Quarter 4. The grades you see reflect our standards-based grading format, and if you go down to the bottom of the report card, you can see the scale. 4.0 is advanced, 3.0 is proficient and on grade level. This is the target for all students. 2.5 is almost proficient, which means that they have not mastered some of the complex learning goals they need to be on target. 2.0 means they're approaching proficiency, which means they struggle with all of the complex learning goals to be at grade level and on target. 1.0 means they have a basic knowledge of simple goals, but they do not have all of the knowledge they need for all of their simple goals. And 0.5 and 0 means they're below basic and they need extra support. If you'll also note, there is a fine and fees total this year. That way you guys can track any fines or fees that your students incur throughout the year. If you see an amount there, please contact the office for more information. It should also be noted that GPAs are still listed on your student's report card. The GPAs do not coincide or match up with the standard-based grading grades that you see in quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. The GPA is used to help with students that participate in sports and activities so that they can see if they are eligible to do these things. The GPA is not an average of the standard-based grades, but it has another formula that follows guidelines and rules to allow students to play in sports. If you have any questions, please contact the front office for more information.